Yo, what is up everyone, and welcome back to iPilm Tech. So for today's video, we're gonna do a unboxing and probably a small review, or maybe let's say first impression of this product. So for today's product, it's gonna be an audio technology. So as you may have known, this channel have a lot of audio gears, from earphones, IEMs, headphones, and I had one gaming headphones. And now we're gonna do a unboxing of the Logitech Pro X gaming headphones. I've heard so many things about these gaming headphones, and they are good things. That's why I was convinced to buy these gaming headphones. At the moment, I was using my Audio Technica. This is the Audio Technica ANC 500 BT. So basically this is a Bluetooth headphones from Audio Technica, and this headphone is not a gaming headphones, but I've been using this for gaming as well, and it is quite good. So I will have a full-on review of this headphones, because many people is actually looking for the full review of this headphone, and of course gaming quality will be in that review, so watch out for that review. And I'm very sorry if the Audio Technica review took me quite a long time to do a full-on one, but anyway, I still have a lot of pending reviews, so bear with me. I'm very busy. I'm a very busy person. Yeah, I do a lot of things, so I can't really keep up doing taking videos and then edit it and then upload it. All of them are already done and dusted with the review. I've written everything that I need to say. The script is ready. It's just like me doing the video. But now, without further ado, we're just gonna open this one. I'm just gonna show you what's inside. This is just basically unboxing and a few little bit first impressions. So I need my knife, if I really need my knife. I'm actually excited. Okay, maybe I don't really need my knife. This is a really big box. Seriously, guys. Well, with the MSI box as well. I think the MSI box was the big one that I've unboxed. So okay, I need my knife. Actually, I bought 2 Logitech products today, and there's gonna be another review of the Logitech product. So run, no more. So this is what's inside it. So I don't know which one is first. So first one is this one. I think this is a USB to 3.5 adapter for the headphones. Yeah, so you can use this you can use it as a USB powered headphones. Like my old one, it was a USB. I'm gonna show you the headphones later. We're just gonna go through this thing first. Next is we are getting an extra earpads, and this is a suede. Is it the right one? Suede. I don't know. It's a suede, whatever feeling of the earpods. Earpads. Headphones, earpads. Extra. Yeah. So we're getting, oh, a bag. we're getting a bag. There's goodies inside the bag. So there is the detachable microphone, and we have, whoa, there's a lot of wires. This is the 3.5 cable, so you can use the headphones as well using the 3.5, or you can use it with the USB. And there's a splitter as well, so if your computer have those pink and green, you can use this one and then put your 3.5 cable in here. So yeah, and then we have, whoa, and we have another extra splitter. That's a lot of wires. Logitech is giving you wires. And we have a 3.5 braided cable. Yeah, I think this is braided cable. Is this braided? But I think so. This is braided with a microphone and volume controls on it. There. And then we have a bag. The bag is really nice. I like smelling new stuff. And then we're getting the manual. There's a lot of manual. I think that's it, guys. Yeah, that's it. There's a lot of things. So we got a lot of stuff from the box, and it's good. And then now we're gonna go to the headphones. So excited. Oh wow. Oh wow. So this is the headphones. Oh, this is a leather earpads here. Yeah. Wow. Wow. It's so nice. This is metal. So okay, right off the bat, the headphone is a premium headphones. You can really see the premium quality of this headphones. This top is leather, this bottom is cushion leather, the ear pads is leather, soft leather. This sides, that part, this side are made of plastic, but they are not cheap plastic. And the Logitech logo is metal. There you go. Oh, very nice. So this one, this is metal. Sorry, this is metal. The only plastic is the around of the muff in there. So yeah, and there's spring, plastic spring in here. Cable, coiled cable, I mean. Yo! This is so good. Oh my god. Maybe we could try this. I love it, guys. So I'm just gonna try the sound quality of this thing. So let's check it out. So we're gonna use this. No, I don't want to use this cable. Okay, we're gonna use this cable. So the other 3.5 cable is with microphone as well. Now, sometimes I'm stupid, guys, so yeah. So I think this is it. Oh, okay. This cable, the one with the 3 rings, this is for the phone. And this, oh, both of them are for the phone. Never mind then. Because you know some of the wires, like the 3.5 cable with two rings on it, that means there is no microphone. Oh, that's the other way around. Okay. Which one is left and right? This one. Wait. Let's see how it fits. If this is good, oh my god, I'm gonna have a party. Let's listen to some Red Velvet song. My favorite Red Velvet song. This one. Wait, I don't want my ears to explode, so you have to see if the volumes are not, you know, too loud. So let's do this. Wow, amazing. Unbelievable. So guys, the sound stage of this thing is so wide. So I think a lot of gaming headphones have a wider sound stage, because when you're playing shooting game, you need to hear everything around you. But yeah, this one have a very wide sound stage. There is bass on it. There's a good amount of bass. It's not too much, and it's not even less. So good amount of bass, and very clear bass. It's not mushy, it's not muddy, it's a very good bass. When it comes to music, instrument separation, there's a good separation of instrument in both of left and right ear headphones. Oh yeah, yeah, there's a good instrument separation, and also the treble is really good. Mids and highs are very detailed, especially the vocals. It's very detailed. I really like it, because you know, when you're doing a reaction video of a music or a music video, it's really good to hear all the details of the songs. So there is a really good details in these headphones. I'm gonna do another separate video for the full-on review of this thing. So right now, when I was listening on it for the first time, that's all I can say. So yeah, so this is the Logitech Logitech Pro X. Yeah, Logitech G Pro X gaming headphones. Love it, really love it, really love it. And there's a lot of freebies in this thing. For my next review, I'm gonna try both of the earmuffs, so the suede one and the leather one, because I know some of the headphones, when you change them in different material, sometimes the music quality change. So we're gonna talk about that more on the next video. Probably that's gonna be next month or in the next 2 months, after I full on use this thing, this bad boy. And actually, they are not that huge compared to my MSI one. The MSI, I freaking look like a pilot in that one. But this one, they're alright. It looks like a normal studio monitor headphones. And there's a bit of weight on it, so yeah. There's a wireless version of this, but it's much more expensive. So this one retails at 130 euro. So that's probably 5, 6, 7, probably less than 10,000 pesos. So yeah, it's really worth it, guys. Really worth it. Good. So there you go, guys. That is my unboxing and my first impression about the Logitech G Pro X gaming headphones. So these headphones can be used in gaming and also for casual listening. Or I don't do producing stuff, so I'm not gonna say anything about producing music in this kind of headphones. Just casual listening, gaming, and also watching some videos. So we're gonna talk about that on my next video, yeah, like I said. But I'm not gonna prolong anymore, because we're nearly on the 15 minutes in this video and I'm just blabbing. So guys, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like this video, I can't do anything about it. But anyway, so if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, the bell button, so you're always updated with my new videos. So guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.